Wherever you plan to put seed down, make sure you test the soil before you do. I'm down here in our garden area. Our garden this year is up here, and that was a 50 by 50 foot garden. The garden that we're planning for next year is going to be a 200 by 50 garden, and that is right here where these orange posts are, from here to here, and then all the way back there to where the old garden is. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, I pulled a soil sample on next year's garden area, pulled about 20 different samples from 20 different areas. Did a video on it. That video is on YouTube if you want to go check it out. I don't think I put it anywhere else. But the results we got from that are a little different than what we got from soil tests that we did last year. Last year we had a soil test done on 10 acres on the north end of our property. We're looking to improve the soil up there, and we needed a baseline to see what the progress was that we were making as the years go by. And it's about 900 feet away from where I'm standing right now. There's a 900 foot distance between that test site and the garden test site that we just had tested. The pH on the north side was about 6.4, 6.5, which is pretty much neutral, depending on who you talk to. But that's, 7, I believe, is the midpoint for acidic and alkaline soil. 7, and we're 6.4, 6.5. Down here, where the future garden's going to be, I was sitting on 5, a pH of 5, which is acidic. And so I could have just taken the results from last year's test for the 10 acres on the north end and said, you know what, we'll run with that. We look pretty good. Don't have to do too much down here on the garden area. But I'm glad that we got the soil tested for down here, because we have some work to do before we plant our vegetables next year. And so we have a plan for that. There'll be videos on that to show the progress on that. But I just wanted to really touch on the importance of, wherever you plan on planting, pull the soil test from that area. Don't rely on another soil test from an area that's close to where you're planting. Because like I said, 900 feet away, yeah, it is a pretty big distance, but in the overall scheme of things, both portions, the 10 acres on the north side and the garden area down here, they had been farmed the same, fertilized the same, planted the same, farmed the same, everything the same. So on the surface, you think there wouldn't be much of a difference. So go ahead and get that soil test done. Whether you're trying to improve your garden yields, or just trying to improve the soil, or just generally curious, soil test can tell you a lot.